going to demonstrate for you the administration of the International HIV Dementia Scale, or ihds, and this scale was published in the journal AIDS in 2005 by Ned Sacktor and colleagues. You will find it useful to have a copy of the scale so that you can read the scores against the times when you administer the test to your participant, unless you're very familiar with the scale. You'll also need a timepiece, which could be a watch with a stopwatch, or a phone with a stopwatch, or a stopwatch itself. For the ihds, you will first of all give the participant 4 words to remember. Remember that you need to read them 1 second per word. Then you will establish dominance, and you do this by asking which hand they normally write with. For most people, it's the right hand, in which case you will administer the next 2 tests with the left hand. For the finger tapping test, you will ask them to open their first 2 fingers as widely as possible and to tap as quickly as possible while you time a 5-second period. On this test, 15 taps will score 4, 11 to 14 will score 3, 7 to 10 will score 2, 3 to 6 will score 1, and 0 to 2 taps in 5 seconds will score 0. The next item is also scored out of 4 and is the Luria 2-hand sequence, which I'm going to show you now. It's a clenched fist, a flat palm, and an edge. You'll demonstrate this 3 times to the participant, and remember, don't say fist, flat, side out loud, because that will make it easier for the participant to copy you. I'm now going to demonstrate the ihds. I want to do some short tests with you. Would that be all right?
That's all right.
Thank you. Please remember these 4 words for me. Dog, hat, bean, red.
Dog, hat, bean, red.
Good. I'd like you to remember those words, and I'll ask you for them in a couple of minutes' time.
Okay.
Now, which hand do you normally write with?
Right.
Your right hand. We'll do the next 2 tests with your left hand. Could you put your left hand on the table?
Okay.
Right. What I'd like you to do now is to open your first 2 fingers as widely as possible and to tap for me like that, and I'm going to time you. Are you ready?
Ready.
Start tapping. Thank you. So that was 15 and more taps in 5 seconds, so the score there would be 4. Now I'd like you to copy what I do with your left hand. Are you ready?
Ready.
Right, please do that for me, and I'm going to time you. Are you ready?
Ready.
Go. Good, stop, thank you. That was clearly more than 4 sequences in 10 seconds, so that score is 4. Now, can you remember the 4 words I gave you to remember?
Yes, I think it's dog, hat, bean, red.
Very good. So those 4 words were spontaneously recalled, and the score would be 4. So the total score on this test would be 12 out of 12. If you find that the participant can't recall 1 or more words, the ihds will give you some category clues, which, if they help them to remember the word, you're able to assign a score of half. Thank you.